Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all of the box accessories of Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Here is the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL box, and let's open it to see if what's inside. First we can take out this cover, then lift the top lid, and the first thing we can see is the phone. And a USB-C on both ends cable. Then there is this booklet with safety guide in different languages, as well as a SIM card tray opener. And that's all inside of the box. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.